Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you the correct rules and methods of essay writing in English. Many students do not understand where to start and how to end an essay properly. So please watch this video till the end. The title of this video is given below. Title: Correct Rules of Essay Writing in English, or Essay Writing in English Step by Step. What is an essay? An essay is a structured piece of writing where you present your thoughts, knowledge, and opinions on a specific topic in an organized and meaningful way. Steps of essay writing step by step. First, selecting the title. First, you need to clearly understand the topic or title of the essay. Example: Village Life. Number 2, introduction. At the beginning, write a short introduction of 3-4 lines. The introduction should be attractive and related to the topic. Example: the true beauty of Bengal or other states lies in its villages, away from the noise and business of the city. Village life offers peace, simplicity, and natural beauty. Village life is an important part of our country's tradition and culture. Therefore, it is very important to understand and realize village life. Number 3, main body. Here, divide the topic into several paragraphs. Each paragraph should contain one main point. Use simple language, include facts and examples. Example: environment of village life. Village life is surrounded by greenery, vast paddy fields, trees, ponds, rivers, and open skies make the village beautiful. In the morning, people wake up to the chirping of birds, and in the evening, the cool breeze refreshes the mind. This pollution-free environment is very beneficial for both body and mind. Lifestyle of village people. Village people are generally simple and hard-working. Most of them are engaged in agriculture, fish farming, and animal husbandry. They live happily with limited resources. Mutual cooperation and harmony are strong in village society compared to cities. Village culture and festivals. Various festivals and events are celebrated joyfully in villages. Durga Puja, Pahela Boishakh, New Year, and local markets are part of village life. These events strengthen unity and friendship among people. Problems of village life. Although village life is peaceful, it has some problems such as lack of proper health care, limited educational institutions, and fewer job opportunities. Transportation systems are also not well developed, making life somewhat difficult. Importance of village life. Villages are the backbone of our country's economy. Agricultural production from villages fulfills the food needs of the country. Moreover, the simplicity and natural environment help maintain mental peace. Therefore, development of villages is essential for the country's progress. Conclusion. Number 4, conclusion. In the essay nicely in 2-3 lines. You can include your opinion or message here. Example: village life is a symbol of our culture and tradition. Although there are some problems, its beauty, peace, and simplicity attract us. Therefore, it is our responsibility to develop villages and preserve their tradition. Important tips for essay writing. Use simple and clear language, write short sentences, avoid unnecessary difficult words, maintain neat handwriting, avoid spelling mistakes. Tips to score good marks in exams. 1. Practice 5 to 10 common topics in advance. Make points for each topic. Number 3. Practice writing within a fixed time. Friends, in today's video, I have shown an essay with examples. You should also practice writing essays in this way. Only then will success come in life. Keep trying. Success will definitely come. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay well.